From GROB, the G720F, a multitasking beast of a machine. I love your machining concept here. Now, before we get on to the details of the machine, this has been a real success story for GROB and the industry.
It definitely is. It is the first time that we have this machine on an exhibition. We have this machine, in fact, since 3 years on the market. And due to COVID, we never had the chance to really show it to all the customers around. So far, we have already more than 80 machines sold on the market in 3 years, what is crazy, to be honest. So this definitely shows us we hit the nail on the top when we developed this kind of machine. And now we are very proud to show it to the whole public here on the exhibition at the EMO show.
80 is a huge number, of course. That's blown my mind, it really has, in 3 years. Tell me more about the concept then here.
The concept, in fact, is basically our famous GROB cross-slide concept. So it's a common touch and feel of the machine. So customers who already have had a GROB machine in the past, for them it's not that something new. It's just a huge new dimension of work parts they can machine on. But touch and feel is exactly the same.
And what sectors are you pushing this into? Because I know clearly it's automotive.
It is clearly automotive, and the fun fact is this morning we had the biggest Chinese supplier of subframes here on our booth, and he told us this machine is the best subframe machine in the world.
Oh, really?
So hear this from a customer in this category, we're like, oh, okay, that's awesome, so we did it, we did everything right.
It's quite obvious here, you're machining 2 parts in one go, so there's a huge time saving. But what's the real capabilities of this machine?
Real capability, and this is what we see especially here. We have 2 parts, as you mentioned, as it is a double spindle machine. We have a very high dynamic, so it's the fastest chip-to-chip time that is on the market, and we are still improving on it, so getting faster and faster.
Wow.
All the axis dynamics are unique on the market, and this is what our customer definitely praise on this concept. It is fast, it is very dynamic, it is flexible, and it's twice the output as it is a double spindle machine.
And not everybody knows about this concept of your tunnel concept as well. So tell us more about this.
So tunnel concept is also known at GROB since almost 20 years now. This is our cross-slide concept, means the motor spindle moves only in Z-axis and in X-axis. For every tool change, it retracts in a kind of a tunnel, and this separates the working area from the clean area behind. And we have the work part movement in Y, A, and B. And this allows us to machine the parts hanging upside down, so perfect for MQL machining, what is definitely mandatory for parts like this.
There's so many more benefits on top of what you've just said.
Absolutely.
There. You know what, we're actually stopping people either side of this interview because so many people are crowding around this machine. So it shows that people are interested. Engineers want to see your machines. They're very excited about this model. What's the future hold? Because you promised us a bigger machine from your open house earlier on in the year.
Yeah.
So tell me about the future.
So nice that you remember it.
Yeah.
Open house was a 520F, now it's a 720F. Next open house we might have a G920X, which is for extrusion bars, more than 2.5 meters long. And I heard there is a big exhibition next year in Stuttgart in September.
A and B.
Where we might go gigantic.
I'm going to hold you to that. There you have it, the G720F machine from GROB.